Hi, we're the Heathers.
And we're going to do an experiment called Let It Rain.
So for this experiment, you will need a plastic cup, some cold water, some shaving cream, and some blue food dye. So the purpose of this experiment is that the shaving cream will represent the clouds and the blue food dye will represent the rain. And this will basically explain to children why it rains. So to start out, first you need your plastic cup, and you will fill this about halfway with water. Next, you will take your shaving cream and just put a thin layer up on the top. Okay. Then you will take your blue food dye and squirt approximately 2 to 3 squirts. And as you can see, the blue food dye is going through the shaving cream into the bottom of the cup. So this will explain to a student that a cloud gets so heavy that it just needs to let the rain out, so this is why it rains.
Are we done?
So that was our Let It Rain experiment. Thank you for watching.